Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming you are the account owner, because only that role can deactivate a paid Zoom account. Next, export recordings, reports, and settings. Once the plan is deactivated, some data may be inaccessible. Also check the billing cycle and plan type so you know any proration or refunds. This avoids surprises later. Once you have ownership and backups, proceed to the Zoom web portal to begin cancellation, making sure you keep evidence of backups and account details. You now go into account management and select billing to locate active subscriptions. This is the control point for paid plans. Cancel the paid plan and each add-on. Follow every confirmation prompt, because skipping confirmations can leave charges active. If licenses are assigned to users, unassign them first to prevent automatic reactivation. Once canceled, check the billing history for a confirmation line item. Make sure the plan shows as canceled rather than simply suspended, so it won't renew on the next cycle. Finally, you choose to delete the account or downgrade to the free plan from account profile after billing shows cancellation. Deletion is irreversible, so be certain. Once you request deletion or downgrade, verify you receive email confirmation and that billing history reflects the change. These records are your proof. If things go wrong, check that you are the listed owner, ensure there are no unpaid invoices, and then contact support with screenshots. That usually resolves stuck cancellations or ownership issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.